In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make viral short videos, and I'll be dividing these videos into two parts: the first tutorials and the results. So let's go. First, you have to do is tap the create short button. Select your preferred video. Tap on the next button. Tap on sound button. Now, you have to be very specific about this. You have to have done your research on keywords and all that. Make sure your videos is between 15 seconds if you want this to work. And make sure that your videos, the sound you want to add is not a generic or too popular sound. Try to look for something different. So I'm picking the sound I want to use. I'm searching it through the search option. I first tap it to listen to it if it's going to go well with my audience. Then I'm adding it to the video. You can always adjust it or do anything to it. So I'm tapping on the next button. I'm tapping on the next button right now. So next thing is you'll be adding your caption. You must have done your research through using the vidIQ option to get the right keyword for your description, the title of the video. So this is what I'm adding to the title of my video. Roblox getting jumped by shadow clones. So when I'm done with that, I try to edit. I try to make the video public. Yeah, I will edit the option to up Ninja, not okay. So that's it. I'll tap on the upload short button. So I think it's uploaded now. So the next thing you're going to be seeing after this is the results of this is the second part, the result of the video, what I just finished doing, and it's going to come out the 3 days after the video has been uploaded. Look at results, about 2,600 views in just 3 days, and the way it is, there's a possibility that it's going to rise higher than that. So this is the video. This is how the short looks like. You can always search the name of the channel I'm using. Drop a comment and I'll respond so you confirm if this information is right or wrong. So if you find this video useful, try to like this video, share and subscribe.